In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find nearby people on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit at search icon to bring up search, and then hit at that search bar, and then just search for some nearby location. Let's say you can search for cafe, and then it will show you some different tabs, and then just select places, and that will allow you to select some cafe from nearby, just like that, and that will show you top posts and recent posts that people made in that location. You can tap at recent, and that will show you recent posts, and after that you will be able to open up any photo, and then if you want you can follow that user. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.